In the underground cellar of the ancient Nilagiri kingdom as Old Castle, a massive magical mirror was discovered. That was no ordinary mirror. If anyone stood before it and sneezed, it would pull them inside. The two soldiers who went to clean the castle vanished just like that. The king summoned Rishi.
Rishi, there is a mystery behind that mirror. Find my soldiers and bring them back.
Rishi, along with his friends Sambayya and Ramayya, descended into the dungeon.
Rishi, my boy, look how handsome I appear in this mirror. I looked just like a celestial being, do not I?
Hey, even the mirror is not scared after seeing the dirt on your face. That says it all.
Just then, the dust in the dungeon began to tickle Sambayya's nose. And that is it. A blue whirlwind burst out of the mirror and began pulling Sambayya inside. Trying to save each other, Ramayya grabbed hold. Rishi tried to pull them back, but all three of them were dragged into the mirror together. When they opened their eyes, they found themselves in a strange world. Everything there was upside down.
Birds were walking on the ground, humans were flying with wings, and rivers were flowing upward. Rishi, the dogs here are saying meow, and the cats are barking. What kind of madness is this? Ouch! Why are even the fruits attacking me here?
Just then, the guardian of that world appeared, the upside-down grandfather.
You have violated the laws of our world. Here, anyone who laughs will be punished. You must cry.
Grandpa, why is your beard on your forehead?
At once, instead of stones, soft cotton balls began raining from the sky, but the moment they touched, they delivered a shocking jolt.
My friends, this is a mirror world. Here, to make anything happen, we must do the exact opposite of our world.
Using his sharp intellect, Rishi led them toward the central core of that strange world. There, the soldiers were trapped. To free them, Rishi stood upside down and began a reverse prayer. Rishi freed the soldiers. The soldiers hugged each other in joy. At last, they reached the gateway of that world.
Sambayya, now you must not sneeze. Inhale the air instead.
Unable to breathe properly, Sambayya blew air onto the mirror with a whoosh. As soon as the air touched it, the mirror began to glow again. With a loud thud, all three of them fell into the cellar. The mirror turned back into an ordinary mirror again.
Rishi, did you bring back the soldiers?
I have, my lord. But from now on, make sure no one sneezes in front of this mirror.
Hey, mirror, in your world, samosas are bitter and chilies are sweet. I do not want your world.
Ramayya took out the flying stone from that world from his pocket. It suddenly flew up into the air and hit him right on the nose.
Sometimes, only when you look at the world upside down do you see the truth.
Moral stories.